So for making a mosquito repellent circuit, we need the components as follows. So first one, this one is perforated board, a buzzer, a 2 resistor, one of 1K and another of 220 ohms, an LED for power, and a capacitor of 0.01 microfarad, and a 10K potentiometer, IC base, and IC. IC is 555 IC. Okay. What we did previously, similarly we'll do with this. We'll take a battery. We'll assume that this is the path covered by battery, and then we will mark it with a pencil such that we can know that this is a place where our battery comes. Okay, so we'll mark. So this is the place where our battery comes. Okay, so till this line we won't disturb the circuit. After this we'll begin. Okay, so as usual we'll mark one line for positive end, say this one, and another line for negative end, say this one. Okay, so after marking again, so finally we have completed our circuit. So you can see that our circuit is completed. So in order to generate a frequency of 40 megahertz, whatever the frequency at which the mosquito repellent works, we need to set this variable resistor at 1K to 1.3K using our multimeter. We'll do that. So these are the two probes of multimeter. We'll connect either end of, we'll first set to this here at near 2K, then we'll place the either end, then with the help of a screw we'll just adjust it to 1K.
So you can see that
so now you can see that it is 1.3K. so now our circuit will work properly. So let us power it up. So after applying the supply voltage, we can see that the green LED is glowing, right? We need to remove this strip. The green LED is glowing, so our circuit is working. Thumbs up. So please do like, share and comment below, and if you have not subscribed our video, please subscribe this. Thank you. चल बहुत बहुत